All right, so the two trades I took today was EJ and gold. Last night I took GJ buys, but it wasn't ready, so my stop got hit. I believe it was like, so I took it based off the fact that we had our little Asian open, and I guess because it was Sunday and not like literally any other day of the week, it was like, bitch, I ain't going today. So this is the trade I took last night on GJ. I lost that one. This is the trade I took today on EJ because, and why I didn't go back into GJ buys is because on EJ we had better confirmation, way better confirmation. I love the fact that we have this level on the daily where price acted as resistance and can now come act as support. That's exactly what happened. Right. So, wow. After this 1 hour close, I entered in for some buys. And as you can see, I'm up nicely in profits. I'm just waiting for it to get to my 1 to 3. And again, like I said in the last video, the reason that I have a buy bias for EJ, look how the previous weekly closed. Like for once, I'm consistently profitable. And the only thing I tweaked was me taking trades and analyzing from the monthly, weekly, daily, rather than the 4 hour, 1 hour, and daily, right? And then prioritizing 4 hour time frames, because again, the aerial view, you can't beat it. This is the overall direction. So I think price will go up pretty nicely. We don't really have any areas that could conflict with this aside from here, but even then, this is not a very precise level. So the next level, I think we'd have some pushback is maybe here. Right. And then the next trade I took was the same trade that I've been taking since Thursday, right? So after I saw this weak candle close, actually, no, I think I started selling after on Thursday just because of location, right? And then I exited because I was like, I don't have enough confirmation and the price is still kind of pushing bullish. But I could have stayed in all the trades that I was taking too early and still, take profit. But I realized it's not worth it if it's psychologically messing with me and I'm exiting because of fear. So technically, it makes more sense for me psychologically to just wait for the daily candle close, because then I'm way more sure about it and price moves way quicker, right? For example, today. So when we were up here, I took, so I saw price starting to push down. Price started to have some bearish momentum come into the markets, and the 15-minute didn't close or anything yet. It was still going bullish and stuff, but I happened to sell because one, location, like where we are in the daily time frame is a very, very powerful level. And it's also a level that we can see on, I was gonna say the monthly time frame, but I lied. But you can see it on the weekly, right? You can see this level on the weekly. You go like this, and you also have resistance that happened here in the past before, right? So I had a really, really good feeling about this level. Not a good feeling, but I saw liquidity at that level. So decided to take it based off that. And I know gold has a tendency to pop and sometimes be unforgiving and really, really move quickly around this time. So that's why I didn't wait for a bearish candle close on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, those are my two trades for today. The other ones that I really like, I like EURJPY for buys. Oh snap, I was waiting for this 4 hour candle to close because now we've created higher lows, right? Well, I need to buy another account because I'm about to pass this one. I really want to take EURJPY buys, and it's still in this. What is this level? Weekly. This weekly liquidity. No. Oh, here, this is based off of this right here. So we have some weekly, oh, dope. Support here, support there. Oh, yeah, buddy. You know what? Even if I didn't get this trade today, possibly like Friday, Thursday. What if it was creating a higher low and it was still in this area? That'd be nice. But you know, I still do want to take bias on EURJPY. And you can see that we broke a minor level of resistance. It's not structure, but it is something, you know. Price is still trying to tell you a story. And then for NU, I didn't like any areas that it was in around 8 o'clock, so I didn't touch it. And then UCAT, I have a really, really, really bullish bias right now because of, let's see the monthly. So the monthly overall, we're still bullish. This level right here, you have this candle that closed like that, but the second candle determines whether or not this is going to be a respected level or not. And if it's up to me, currently, nothing has been broken. So we're still technically very, very bullish on this monthly time frame, right? Guilty until proven innocent. So the fact that the weekly candle closed like that, you know, on this level, I have a more bullish bias. But at the same time, this is a bearish engulfing, even though it has more buyers than sellers. So it could possibly push down heavy before continuing bullish, but I will continue to monitor this. Before I get into this trade, I just want to see some sort of pullback, something that makes sense, right? Because right now it doesn't make sense to take buys just because I want a nice healthy pullback. Something can't just give me nothing. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow for news. We got, because we don't have any news today, but we have CAD news, CPI, okay, and then USD news. Alrighty, okay, yeah, we'll see what that brings. Happy trading from Blair Con.